To this video guys, magluluto ako ng maruya para mamaya snack. At saka first time ko to gagawin, first time din titikman ni Warren. Wala akong mabiling saba rito, pero may nakita ako dito. Pares lang naman siya sa sabay, niluluto din siya. So ito na yung gagamitin natin para sa butter natin. Meron akong harina, tapos ilalagay ko yung cornstarch. Medyo pakalat-kalat sila. Tingnan nyo. Kakalat eh. Cornstarch. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng kunting asin. Ito yung tubig natin. Maglalagay ako ng itlog. Tsaka maglalagay ako ng butter. Ito, hindi siya milk tea. Asukal siya. Napula. Asukal na pula. So, maglalagay ko ng asukal. Asukal. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung butter. Tapos itong itlog, ilalagay ko na itong itlog. Ay! Tapos, maglalagay ako nito. Ano to? Baking powder. Kunti lang. At saka, kunting tubig muna. Hindi pala madaling magluto nito. Para lang siyang pancake. Yung butter niya. Magdadagdag tayo ng tubig. Kunti lang din. Kunti-kunti lang yung tubig na ilalagay natin. Alright, ito na. So, pwede na to. Ayan. Nahiwa ko na yung mga saging. So, ilulublob ko na lang siya isa-isa dito sa nagawa ko ng butter. So, ayan, pwede na to. Ilagay ko na. Kala ko nung una is mahirap gumawa ng maruya. Madali lang pala. Unang batch. Ayan. Itatabi ko lang yung isa. Ito. Alright guys, luto na yung maruya natin. Ilulublob ko na siya sa asukal. Gusto ko konting asukal lang. Ayaw ko yung masyadong matamis. Ayaw ko masyadong maraming asukal. Yan. Ganito lang. Dito. $100%. Maglalaway na naman ito si Warren, guys. Gustong gusto niyo yung mga ganitong dessert eh. May mga matatamis. Snack ba to or dessert? Parehas lang ba yun? Yung snack ba tsaka dessert, parehas lang ba yun? Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Parehas lang siguro yun. Ayan siya. Ganda natin kasi gagawa ko ng thumbnail dito. Sukal pa more. Para naman maging sweet siya kahit konti. Ayan! I'm so happy! So, okay guys, luto na yung maruya natin. Time now para tikman ni Warren.
My first time trying this.
Yeah.
Take one as well.
Okay.
This is fried. What did you call it? Fried
Maruya.
I can never say the name, so I'm not even going to try. This is fried banana fritters.
Yeah.
But we used saba, didn't we? You made it, so you made saba.
Para siyang saba na rin.
So delicious.
Crunchy.
Very crunchy. Wow. Masa wrap. It's crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. It's perfect. And the sugar, it really brings the flavours together.
Yeah.
It's not overpowering. It's not too sweet. It's perfect balance. Some people eat this with ice cream, don't they?
I think, yeah.
Some people.
But I would like something like this only.
Yeah, this is more dinner. Well, this is actually our dinner time, so it's perfect.
Sarap.
Masa wrap, absolutely. Have you tried this in your country? And if you have, what's your partner for your fritters? Or do you just have it like this with little bit of sugar, and that's nice and simple, delicious. I think street food's the best, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway guys, let us know in the comments what street food or any food that you want us to do, should we do next. Homemade, delicious, simple, honest food. And yeah, so leave us a comment, give us a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, ingat ka.
Bye-bye.